are going to show you the toy that I recently bought for him from Amazon. This says Kit for Curious. This is a science toy and this costs around I think 400. Let's open it and see. We have received the packet today only. Let us open the packet
and let's see what's inside.
And I actually read a lot of reviews about this. Reviews were really good. So I thought of buying all of these things for City. For a 5-year-old, you have to have parents' assistance in order to play with this toy. In this kit for curious, they have given this small pamphlet here, which says Super Kit and video tutorials. So they have all these video tutorials on I think their website. They have also given a WhatsApp number for video tutorials. If you buy this pamphlet comes along in this packet, and then they have this user guide so that you can easily understand how to start with this.
And it comes with all of these science things that you can use when you're 5 years old.
So this is a very helpful user guide in order to play with this kit. Okay, so let's see what is inside this box. So let me come to that side. Okay, so let me show you what is inside this box. We have these batteries, 4 batteries.
And we have some kind of pillars.
Yeah, some fan sort of thing. And then all these metal pieces, small metal pieces.
And something.
These are resistance, packet of resistance and LEDs.
And all of these parts.
And all these small parts. The quality looks quite okay. The reviews on Amazon were also good, but I think this really would need my help in case City wants to play with this science kit.
Packet.
It's a bubble packet so that these things don't get spoiled. And then we have this big fan.
Wow. Awesome. 2 big fans.
And all these wires and cables. So okay, when City will play with these, then I'm gonna show you the complete thing, that how he played with this science experiment, right Sid?
Yeah.
He is busy doing these bubble bursts. I'll come back again and show you how City played with these.
Thing that I need is a motor like this, a propelling motor. It has this pin kind of attachment, so we can attach this fan or something. And after I attach the fan to the motor, we should make sure it spins. So now for my next instruction, I'm using this thing like an on and off switch. I don't want the fan to run continuously, so I'm using this on and off switch. From these batteries, I've connected the switch and the propelling motor. One wire is connected to the switch and one wire is connected to the propelling motor. And this black wire is directly connecting to the propelling motor from the batteries. So now for a little test. It's spinning! Whoa! Hey, it's getting a little expansion, huh? If you like my experiment, then please subscribe down below.
What have you made?
I have made a fan connected to the batteries and the batteries connected to the switch.
After making fan experiment, he is so happy that he is trying all types of fans.
So easy. You have to just put this red wire in and this black wire also. It worked. It's not working by the way. I'll fix it. Awesome, how do you like it?
Ta-da! Show me the next one.
Okay, next one is da-na-na-na-na. Let's see what this one does. If we added a light inside this, and in the dark, it'll make shadows. Awesome! Isn't that cool? It's kind of tight. Put this in here, and I'll put that. Okay, you can get a really close look now. It's not working. It's not working. Give me a minute. Ta-da!
Okay.
Let's go to the next one. The
Happy
next
with-
one is gigantic.
So you have to run all the fans today.
Yeah. And this, the red wire and the black wire is gonna go in.
Let's see if that works.
It's not working. Oh.
It is working. Da-da-da!
Ta-da! I guess it's not placed properly. I guess now it'll work. I think I'm not holding it the wrong way. I'm holding it the wrong way. This goes maybe there.